Joe Aquaba to Asante Kotoko.
There was a
Move away. How does it mean to you? Send our funnel as a young guy, 20 years, joining Asante Kotoko after a very good season with Brecum Chelsea. Send our facts move away.
movie there because I was very happy. Yeah, many because as a young player, na many opportunity. It's a big opportunity to me, so I have to grab it. Yeah.
This season, you know, say we are one of the names will be a deeper. Na obo no confidence no ehina gather sa confidence no playing in a league very competitive. O confidence ni free.
Yeah, because ball no we will be a me training me training. Na as a footballer, you have to get confidence 100%. Yeah, so confidence na ema me ya adwuma no.
Kumafo ate onka Kotoko supporters ate onka ba me sure say dodo na enimu ba o mate onka. Obo no ye wunya nhyase mboy nemum se opese omu ehu senia obo no tie a nipa ben na obetimi de obo no akase o wodi besusu no ama o mahu senia obo no etie.
Yeah, because muhe Vitinha, they were Paris Saint-Germain Vitinha, they also born. Sana me so me born. They should keep supporting me. Me so I'll do my best.
Now, why not Tom Craft say, oh, Asante Kotoko here, into Brabebo, Ote, and na offer the same.
Yeah, me a meeting pan FM, Obed, and Aquam Katia on FM. Yeah, and me call, I was very happy. In fact, I was very happy because as a young player, and I'm an opportunity, and Kotoko is a big club. Yeah, so no many ajipa.
If say when you Kotoko, are always the club you wanted to play for, and I say you feel say we they out of nothing, and now when you have opportunity.
Yeah, name me dream, say me Bokotoko. Name me dream, say me Bokotoko. The opportunity in Bayern. I'm an ajipa.
Eche na Kotoko ni Brecum Chelsea share the FA Cup semi-final awo takwa. Ye nyina ehu modern boy. Na o ka bibi se baba yara am so twem ho kakra no na. Obetimi ni ya share sa story as o free mkra na obu ofu di ntia.
Yeah, because let me name the reason why ntia o yi me pay that let me name the reason why ntia because me pay na me buy na me catch up say because always be me na me fa baba ya. Yeah, nti me pay na as a omoja no because we hu say we na fa no we hu say we ba sembu ma nim say me na e wo say me yes adwuma no.
Nti na obo nyo so kakra.
Yeah, nti na me happy about it.
So feel say nka wo ma nka baba ya nti me nyesa akọ.
Yeah, sure, cause say na me ma nka me na me fa no at that time.
A sign of a competitive fighter, like a real footballer. I said, "Go far and Africa, who go be wabai."
So, let's give everything to God.
Okay.
Or only him the oil.
But at the end, Stronkuna de Bakotoko anti supporters no Embra show. At the end, Odeba are you different from the ending that?
Yeah, my baba born 4 years now, my son. My baba born achieve trophies. Yeah, Omudian say fans never park. Omuba, I dare was me more money. I will do it.
In your football career, though you're young, they motivate you. More want to go extra mile on the field. I didn't know motivation.
Yeah, because me wo Kintampo FC. Na me teammate bako. Yakobo 1 match. Ewo Tamale Dream, ye Tamale Dreams. Ye bo match ni we yatika mu bana nya ko se o se Ombra Street. free Ghana ako straight. Until that time no, na I was very happy say we say me so me prove me ho me so me nya chance. Then I motivate me ama my baby drew and say.
Even a dear new be now name forgot to come a big club demand in a song. Wakoya youngster idea. Wait me pressure a move here.
No, make us say NMD Gaga say as a footballer, one thing in your confidence. So confidence na adia baby a unso.
We were Emma Quababium na ya will show up. Kumasa so be show ye. Just stay focused. Na you.
Thank you.
Okay.